Why project structure matters.
A well-organized Python project supports growth, teamwork, and maintainability. As your codebase grows, a thoughtful structure helps you avoid tangled files, repeated code, and confusion. Whether you're working solo or with others, following best practices for folders and files lays the foundation for debugging, testing, and scaling up seamlessly.
The core project layout.
A scalable Python project often starts with a root folder. Inside, keep a dedicated directory for your main package or module, commonly named after your project. Alongside it, include folders for tests, documentation, and configuration. A typical top-level layout is project name, tests, docs, and key files like readme.md and setup.py.
Inside the main package.
Within your project's main package folder, divide your code by functionality. For example, group related features into submodules or subpackages. The init.py file marks each directory as a Python package. Organizing by feature, such as data, models, or utilities, makes code easy to navigate and expand later.
Testing and configuration.
Scalable projects separate test code from application code. The tests folder mirrors the package structure and contains scripts to verify functionality. For configuration, use a config or settings directory for files like config.yaml or .env. Keeping these separate simplifies deployment and allows flexible updates as the project grows.
Documentation and best practices.
Clear documentation helps every project scale smoothly. Keep a docs folder for guides and API references. Place a comprehensive readme.md at the root with setup and usage instructions. Use version control with .gitignore to exclude unnecessary files. Following these practices creates a foundation for robust, maintainable, and scalable Python projects.